not the pole.
Beautiful job, Greg. Nothing more nervous than spending time.
Dude, it looks like I can't tell the difference. It looks like it flies like a moldy.
I gotta get one. My brother freaked out. Our whole house.
Well, I must say, Greg, it was worth all the hype, man. I hate to admit it.
Was there that much hype?
Oh, yeah, Greg was pumping this thing up for the last 2 weeks, man. You just got to get it to poop out the shaving cream now, man. Ow! Right into Rubio's planes.
It's all right, they're all foamy.
That one. Brand new one. Oh my God.
Good job, Greg.